Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, now this is crazy. This is completely crazy. Y'all, look at me. This fake pair of sneakers. This is not clickbait. I did not do this. I swear to God, a fake StockX tag, bro. I did not buy this shoe from StockX. And neither did the actual person who wow. Oh my God. Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully y'all are having an amazing day today. I'm not gonna hold you today. For me, was crazy. I don't want to really get into my personal day. It's been all over the place. Regardless, how y'all, oh, I hit that a little bit too hard. Let me bring that back. Regardless, how y'all feeling today, man? Hopefully everything is great. Good video for y'all today. I'm not really sure what's about to happen. I have a very good idea, and y'all gonna know why in a few seconds, but I don't think it's gonna be good. Let me fix this camera one more time. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you subscribe. Y'all already know I drop pretty much daily content that y'all don't want to miss because y'all know we be dropping bangers over here. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know whenever I'm dropping videos. YouTube, I don't know what YouTube got against me, but when I start going live and when I drop videos, a lot of y'all telling me y'all not getting my notice. That hurts. It hurts. It hurts because we so close to 70,000, and I want everybody to just be able to participate with what we have going on. I go live all the time. I got a sneaker in the studio and it's fake, bro. And I'm gonna tell you why it's fake. I know it's fake. Before I even open it up, I know it's fake. I'm recording this now just for pure entertainment. In certain ways, you just know this shit was fake. You know what? I'd rather just show y'all. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna be right back. Really, bruh? Really, bruh? Really, bruh? DHL box. I'm not prone to buying fake sneakers, okay? I don't do it. I do know 99% of fake sneakers are delivered from DHL. I already know these are fake. Now, let me tell y'all about today's video. DHL, it's always DHL. I don't know if DHL got like good shipping from overseas or wherever the hell these companies are from, but I do know if you buying fake sneakers, a lot of times they are DHL. I'm not really let down by this video because this was more like an experimental video I wanted to try to do. A lot of y'all know that I did a video not too long ago and I only bought clothing from stores or websites that only had Instagram sponsors. So a lot of y'all know when you're on Instagram, come on man, everybody has an Instagram. And you scrolling up your timeline and you see all of these different stores that sponsored on your story and they got like a lot of nice clothes, and I know a lot of y'all be like, yo bro, I wonder if these are like really good clothes. I did that video. I literally only bought from those stores. I spent like over $1,000 and I showed y'all a lot of stuff. So if you want to see that video, check it out. I'll either leave a link up here if I can remember, or I'll leave a link down below if I can remember. But if not, it ain't gonna hurt you to go find it. Regardless though, I did that video. It did kind of well. And I told y'all if y'all wanted to see me do that with a pair of sneakers, let me know. Y'all let me know. So I went and got them. This pair of sneakers here that y'all see, I bought from an Instagram sponsored account, which means I seen people selling these sneakers on my IG and I decided why not, let's go for it. Now, it's hundreds of reasons why I know this sneaker is fake, okay? One of the reasons is the price point. I'm gonna just open it up because it's no point in talking about it. I'm gonna just show y'all. The box. Here we have the box. For my people who are new to my channel, I do own a lot of off-whites, you know what I'm saying? I do have my fair share. One pair right here, you know what I'm saying? Off-white Vapor Max, very nice pair. You see me, you see me. Another pair right here, off-white Zoom Fly, the black colorway. I love these joints, I rock them a lot. I like them so much that I had to double up and get the pink pair too, you know what I'm saying? Another off-white pair. Off-white dunks, I love the dunk, I love the off-white dunk. This collaboration was crazy. Okay, y'all get what I'm saying. I got a few, but this one, okay? This one I bought from the sponsor ad, and I knew it was fake because the price point I paid for it was just ridiculously low. So low that I thought it wouldn't have hurt if I made a video of it because I'm not really missing out on it. And the sneaker that I got was the Air Jordan Off-White Chicago, okay? Here it is. Hold up, let me do the ultimate. This is the ultimate right here. I don't know what it is about fakes, but every time a fake comes out, you can smell it, bro. Like, you smell the glue. The glue is just like so bad. This tongue is huge too, bro. Look how big this tongue is. That's crazy. This tongue is huge. Let me look at the other one real quick. Yeah, bro. This zip tie is hella small. Look how small that zip tie is. Bro, real off-whites, You see how much longer the zip tie is on this Off-White than this one? It just stops like right here. Like, bro, what? Look at this zip tie. See how long that is? What is this, bro? What is this? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, now this is crazy. This is completely crazy. Y'all, look at me. This fake pair of sneakers. This is not clickbait. I did not do this. I swear to God, this is not clickbait. In this box, in this sneaker box that had the DHL packaging, I'm so serious, bro. If y'all don't, I know y'all watch a lot of YouTubers. A lot of their videos don't be true. A lot of it be like planet stuff. A lot of it be fake. This is the God honest truth. Right hand to God. A fake StockX tag, bro. I did not buy this shoe from StockX, and neither did the actual person who wow. The company I bought this from, I know they sold fakes. I paid like $145 for these, shipped. It has a StockX ticker, a StockX sticker, and a StockX tag. Are you serious, bro? It has the sticker, the tag. Oh my God. This video just turned to something completely different. So I do want to say, I know the camera angle just changed a little bit. Battery died. Anyway, back to the sneaker, okay? The Off-White Jordan 1. I know it's fake, okay? It's fake. The StockX tag definitely made me look at that differently. I want to do a video on that, okay? So I will be doing a video talking about the StockX tag. I will be doing a video talking about how StockX has something to worry about. I mean, honestly, if you're really looking into this as much as I am, I mean, let's be honest, right? StockX is known for being legitimate, and anything coming from StockX is almost like, you know, people look at that like a holy grail. They have a name for being legit. Their name, StockX, holds weight from being like that never fake having sneaker responsibility. And there's people that's out here actually finessing using those tags. So if you want to watch that video, then make sure you stay tuned, because I might just do it right after this and have the same clothes on, but that's just a whole nother video. I will have to dive into a whole nother section, so just stay tuned for that. This is the shoe, okay? We have the Off-White Air Jordan 1, and I bought this from an Instagram sponsored ad, and it's fake. And this is like a size 9.5. It's not even my size, okay? So we got a size 9.5, and I ain't gonna cap. The quality of this shoe is not bad. It's not bad. And you know what? I don't even come at people crazy that rock fakes. Believe it or not, I don't have a problem with people that rock fakes. This is my thing, right? It's a lot of people out there that be like, look, Snipe, a shoe is only worth what you willing to pay for it. I get that completely. This shoe is going for over like $2,000, sometimes even $3,000. A lot of people out there don't think that this shoe is worth $3,000, $2,000 at all. So if they can go on a website and buy a sneaker that looks exactly like this, and they can pay only $145 for the same exact sneaker, and you can wear the same exact outfit and then match the same exact way, you will pay that price. Hey, look, if that's what you want to do, bro, I have no problem with that, man. No problem whatsoever. Do your thing. But my only problem with that is only if you're out here flexing, bragging, boasting like you the man, portraying these like as if these shoes are real and they not. That is a separate problem. That's a whole different entity. One thing if you don't know, okay? It's another thing to know. So don't get me wrong. There's a lot of people out here who be rocking these and they know they fake and they out here flexing. That's not the way to go, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. Then on the other hand, you have other people who might buy this sneaker from a friend, cousin, auntie, uncle, and they don't have any knowledge that the shoe is fake and they bragging and boasting. I can't be mad at you, bro. You didn't know. But this Instagram ad, don't do it. If anything happens, like, I'm gonna just be honest with y'all. I bought this shoe knowing the possibilities of this shoe being fake. Now, I would not ask y'all to do it. Now, I know a lot of y'all thinking, why in the hell would you buy a shoe that you have a good reason to know is fake and do it for content? My situation is a little bit different, okay? YouTube is a job for me. I'm going to accumulate money from this video. It's probably going to make up for this loss, okay? So it's more of an experiment, trial and error for you guys to show y'all that never, ever buy sneakers from Instagram sponsored ads. Never. I don't care what the price is. I don't care how they look. I don't care who. Just don't do it. Sneakers are being replicated every single day to the point where it's almost impossible to tell certain shoes are real. I talked to a homie of mine and I said the Off-White Dunks that I got a chance to see that were fake look so close to the real ones, I'm never buying a pair ever. because it was so hard to tell which one was which. I'll never be able to tell, and I'm not paying $1,700 for a pair that I don't know it's real or fake. I'm just not doing it. So yeah, man, hopefully this video was definitely pretty helpful. I did buy these from an Instagram sponsored ad. I'm not going to get that Instagram sponsored ad any love in this video because I don't want you guys going over and buying that. If you guys are into buying fake sneakers, do your own research. I'm pretty sure you can find a lot of different places to buy them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you comment down below if you want me to do this again on more clothing videos or anything else you see on Instagram sponsored ads that you may be willing to buy or not. The whole reason of me making videos like this is because I've seen so many Instagram sponsored ads that had my attention, like, man, do I want to buy this? But I had no way or nobody telling me the research on this. I have nobody who actually bought stuff from here and actually gave reviews on it. So I thought, why not be the first one? Instagram is like one of the most biggest popular ads in the world, and so many people sell stuff from it. Why not attack? Anyways, man, it's your boy Sniper Jones. I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again, watching another video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and also tune into the video. I will be giving a distinctive full breakdown on this sneaker. I will be giving a full breakdown on the StockX card that it came with, and even the sticker. So if you want to see that full video where I compare this to actual sponsored or real StockX stickers, real StockX tags, real actual shoes that came from StockX, I will give you that whole video probably tomorrow, to be honest with y'all. Make sure you hit the notification bell and subscribe to see the rest. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and until next time, I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.